Cricket Wireless offers two ways to connect your new phone: physical SIM and eSIM. A physical SIM is a removable card you insert into your phone's SIM slot. An eSIM is a built in digital SIM that you activate wirelessly without inserting a physical card. It's recommended for newer phones like iPhone 12 and modern Android devices. For newer phones like iPhone 12 and modern Android devices, eSIM is recommended for its convenience. If you have an older phone, you'll likely need to use a physical SIM. Either way, you will need a valid Cricket Wireless plan to complete activation. You can activate your device using the Cricket Wireless app. To activate and set up your new phone with Cricket Wireless, follow these steps for either physical SIM or eSIM. For a physical SIM, start by ordering a SIM kit from Cricket. Once received, insert the SIM card into your phone. Then, activate through the Cricket app or website by providing your phone's IMEI number and account details. For eSIM activation, scan the QR code provided by Cricket to download the eSIM profile directly to your phone wirelessly. Additionally, ensure your phone is unlocked if it was previously on another carrier. Update your APN settings to wap.mycricket.com for proper data connectivity. Double-check device compatibility and maintain a stable internet connection during activation. If you encounter issues, contact Cricket support. The entire process should take 10 to 30 minutes.